Assalamualaikum. My name is Mariana binti Marzam. My group represent about Tenaga Nasional Berhad. My part is background of TMB. Its details of electricity and central electricity boards, models or readers. As Malaysia become Malaya, there is also materials of TMB's Spirit of Merdeka. TMB founded in 1990, based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The purpose is together we brighten lives through innovation and sustainable solution towards a better world. The aspiration to be a leading provider of sustainable in Malaysia and internationally. The core value and behaviors: integrity, collaborative, customer centricity, forward thinking and mindfulness. Next, this is about the TMB structure. There are many structure of TMB. The main TMB is TMB Power Generation Sedang Berhad. The legend about such subsidiaries, associates, simple investment, joint venture, and trust foundation. Next, the core business of TMB. Generation is responsible for developing, operating, and maintaining of the TMB's portfolio of power producing units. Next, supply of electricity. TMB's customers are served by a network of transmission lines, substations, and distributors lines that connect to them to power from hydroelectric and thermal facilities. Next, safety, health, and environment. The TMB committed to improve efficiency in its business operations and generate technologies. Last, grade and retail. Next, this is about financial highlight. Debt profitability in ringgit Malaysian million. That about 2 years, which is 2019 and 2020.
My name is Nur Shazri. I would like to talk about Property Department organizational structure. This is organization chart for TMB. President of Chief Executive Officer is Dato' IR Baharin Bindin. This is chart for core business. This is for non-core business. Property Holding and its asset. TNB is a Malaysian multinational electricity company and the one in electric utility company in Peninsular Malaysia. TNB has two assets, which is current asset and non-current asset. In non-current asset have stock, debt, prepaid subsidiaries, liabilities, prepaid and associate liabilities, marketable security and cash, and bank. Total current asset 153,362.50 million ringgit Malaysia. In non-current asset have subsidiaries, company, associate, company, investment, long-term receivable. Also, TNB is limited liability company. TNB is a private company wholly owned by the government. Besides that, TNB has 60 billion worth of share listed on the Bursa Saham Malaysia. TNB also has asset worth over 50 billion in holding and in the company, which the largest shareholding and asset in the country include United Kingdom, Kuwait, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, India, Pakistan, and Cambodia. Equity real estate asset owner in Peninsular Malaysia, which be inevitable to supply electricity to the grid at a fixed price. The value of the property in 2020 state 112,596.10 million ringgit Malaysia. This is where the TNB.
My name is Salandiana Anthony. I will continue with present about the corporate establishment added value element. Firstly, is can be said that the Crem or corporate establishment help in the organization to select the suitable location, which they help in choosing the better location for the organization, where they help in how to manage the risk associated with the properties. In Tenaga Nasional Berhad, where the board through the BRC is the board risk committee, where is responsible for monitoring the group risk management framework effectiveness, and suitability. Next is how they help in create and maintain its system for property management of the Nasional Berhad in terms of support system. I make symbolic statement through design and location. With that, I'm present about the rationale of the logo, which is the TNB logo. It represents the company ongoing mission of providing service to national needs. And talk about symbol, which TNB symbol was based on the widely recognized electrical application, which is the light bulb. Corporate estate management also help in increase innovation of the organization, where the Crem was help in design facilities that allow innovative process. And how Crem help also they allow user to participate in design phase, which is allow increasing commercialization of R&D program. They also help in increase the employee satisfaction of the organization or company. The Tenaga Nasional Berhad (TNB), where they help in to provide pleasant working environment. Another thing is help in provide functional workplace. In Tenaga Nasional Berhad, where they have flexible working hours. This is how the Crem was working, help Tenaga Nasional Berhad to increase their productivity by design facilities that improve the creations and delivery of product. TNB will intensify effort to improve operational efficiency. Another thing is how they help in organization to increase the flexibility, where they need to find a way in which flexibility can be achieved. The Tenaga Nasional Berhad, they have favor multiple use feasibility. The last add value element is reduce cost. The importance of real estate related cost for non-properties company in time of the current economic downturn. One of the way is conduct routine maintenance, where in term of Tenaga Nasional Berhad, the TNB main substation preventive maintenance in Port Kelang.
My name is Siti Nur Wahida binti Shaharuddin. So I will continue the presentation for part 4, Future Prospect of TNB. SWOT analysis for strength of TNB. TNB are the largest power electricity in Malaysia. They also vertically integrated operation. Power plants are advanced in equipment, stable and efficient. Company also provide production technology consultancy, water electricity construction and support, repair and maintenance services. For weakness, TNB produce large amount of greenhouse gas emission as part of its day-to-day services operation. Second, energy portfolio not well diversified. The opportunities that TNB have, he developed of renewable energy power by contribution of developing biomass plants and solar hybrid project. Threat of TNB, rising cost of production, volatile cost of input materials. Second, decreasing demand, economic slowdown, changing dynamic of energy sources, increasing competition, consolidation. Fifth, environmental regulation. Potential for growth for general company. Performance to deliver sustainable return by ensuring high availability and reliability for key assets. Growth to capture with clean, green plants. And efficiency to deliver plant operational excellence by scaling up turnout program. For international businesses, TNB aims to protecting value from existing assets. Second, TNB focus on growing TNB international renewable energy businesses, leveraging on existing assets. Sustainable Pathway 2050. Sustainable Pathway is future-proofing TNB businesses. It is critical to balance this transition with financial sustainability.